How to breed sniffers in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just get the sniffer egg right here. Once you have the egg, you just simply need to place it on a block and you just simply need to wait till it hatches and becomes a baby sniffer. So it might take some time, about 10 minutes or so, but just simply wait. After quite some time, it will hatch and now you will now have the baby sniffers right here, which you could feed torch flower seeds so that they can become adult more faster. You just need to wait. Now, once they are adults, what you want to do is just simply get some torch flower seeds and give it to them right here. And now just simply wait. As you can see, they are now breeding and now they have spawned the egg right here, as you can see. And now you just simply plant it again on a moss block and wait for it to hatch again. And that's how you basically breed sniffers in Minecraft.